all of you had a wonderful holiday and a nice New Year's celebration. Here on Artsy Cupcake, I'm all about bringing you creative inspiration to empower you and make your life the best it can be. If you're new here, my name is Maria, and I do videos on the art of life, home, health, and style. So the new year is here, and I just picked a winner for my 2019 Sugar Paper Concealed Planner giveaway. I do plan on doing more giveaways on my channel, so make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on those. I picked the Sugar Paper Planner for the giveaway because I used the same style planner for 2018 and I really liked it all year long. But I decided a different brand of planner for 2019 would be fun, and this one does not have a hard cover wrapped in fabric, so it's a little less fancy than the Sugar Paper one, but what I like about it is that it's larger, so I'm curious to see if I take advantage of all the extra page room this year. I'm going to give you a little peek at this planner and then show you a couple stickers and writing tools that I plan to use this year too. Hopefully this will give you some ideas for using your own planner. And let me know in the comment section below what kind of planners that you guys like to use. This planner is from the Day Designer brand. I will make sure to link anything that I mention in the description box below this video. The goal of this planner is to find balance through focus and productivity. Whether you work in an office, are a full-time mom, a teacher, or a student, I feel that this would be a great planner for anyone. It has a nice guided framework to help you figure out a focus, and it has tools for setting goals, creating a plan, and taking action each and every day. It has a simple blue and white striped pattern on the flexible cover, and there's a stiff clear plastic cover on top to prevent damage, and pink is the main color on all the interior pages. It's 8 by 10 inches and about 1 inch in height. The paper feels nice and thick, so it won't have bleed through. In the very front is an area to put your personal information if you wish. There are reference calendars from 2019 to 2022. There's a little bit about the company and recommendations on how to use the planner. Then we have a couple pages to help you set your goals for the year. I love how they walk you through starting with the big picture and then setting your goals and designing your day and then staying on course. I was finishing up with my Sugar Paper Planner for 2018, but it was nice that this Day Designer came with 6 bonus monthly pages for July through December of 2018. From there, it goes from January 2019 to December 2019. It features 12 months of monthly and daily pages. The daily view page has the hourly schedule in 30-minute increments from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. There's a section for top 3 priority items, a to-do list, and note sections. Also an area at the bottom for to-dos tonight and a gratitude section. I love the idea of a gratitude section because, like I mentioned in my How to Be Crazy Successful video, writing in a journal can help you see nuances that can help you towards your goals. Just the act of writing down what you are thankful for every day can help you identify patterns of what makes you the happiest. Another nice part of these daily pages are the inspirational quotes. There's one page dedicated to weekends, and I like that they have the hourly schedule for each day here too. There's also a weekly gratitude section and a take time out section to make sure that you build some fun into your weekend. Then at the bottom is a small area to start prepping for the next week, and a don't forget section for the extras that you want to make note of for the weekend or week ahead. The separate monthly calendar view is on a 2-page spread, Since this is such a large planner, there is plenty of room on each day, and also room for a small version of last month's calendar and the next month's calendar. A notes or to-do list section is also handy on the left side of the spread. And in the very back are full notes pages and a list of holidays going all the way through 2022. I have not used stickers in my planners before this year because I usually like to keep things simple, and my planner had a smaller footprint last year, but I thought it might be fun to try out some stickers. I found these on Amazon and I love how they aren't too bright or too big, so I can just add a few here or there to quietly cheer up my planner pages. I will probably start by putting these holiday stickers on for the whole year. There are 2 sheets of each theme. They have positive goal setting message sheets along with organization, health, social, seasonal, and travel stickers. There is really a nice variety here, and I look forward to using them. I love using colored pens for my planner because I can color code the items, and what I like to do is create a key in the front so that I have it set from the beginning of each year, and it shows and reminds me what each color means. I had been using the Papermate Flare colored pens in medium, but I recently heard about these erasable pens and markers from my friend Lindsay over at Organized to Save. I remember seeing erasable pens come out in the 90s, and they were just really bad quality and smeared, and the erasers were just no good. I thought they had been a failure and gone off the market, so when I heard about these, I got really excited, hoping maybe they had improved the formula or the erasers had been improved over the years, and I am happy to say that they are so much better than they used to be. I'm looking forward to not using whiteout in my planner at all this year. I use a little post-it flag to easily mark what day I'm on, and I reuse the same flag over and over until it loses its stickiness, and then I put a new one on. I hope this gave you a good idea of what the Day Designer Planner is all about. They have lots of different styles and patterns for the covers, but the basic idea and workspaces are about the same. They also have smaller sizes and hardcover versions. If you aren't already part of the Artsy Cupcake Crew, make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on more fun videos. I'm trying to build a positive community, and I would love to get to know you. So make sure to leave a like and leave a comment on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a happy day.